Namaskar, greetings, and gratitude. I welcome you all to another inspirational Star Talks episode number 83. And today, on the hot seat with me is Miss Shubhangi Karmakar. How are you, Shubhangi?
I'm doing well. Thank you, ma'am, for inviting me in your show. I'm very glad, excited, and very honored to be here.
So nice of you. Pleasure is all mine. Thank you. Shubhangi Karmakar is a counseling psychologist, aspiring emotional intelligence, and soft skills trainer and a coach. Qualified psychologist and psychotherapist with over a decade of experience in educational institutions and healthcare MNC. She is able to evaluate how people interact with one another and their surroundings and analyze their behavior from a cognitive, emotional, and social point of view. She is dedicated to help individuals develop emotional intelligence and achieve personal growth. This is so nice, Shubhangi.
Thank you so much.
Shubhangi, tell me what made you shift from you were in educational institutes, from schools to your own enterprise?
Uh, I would say my learning has means in this particular field. I have started from my when I was in undergraduate. I started my work from there because life में जैसे जब कुछ आता है, I accepted each and every opportunities. So first of all, I got call for the pre-primary teacher as a part-time teacher. That time I was undergraduate student, but still I accepted, and it was juggling time, but I enjoyed it. And through that institutions, again I got call from the special schools that will you join as a special educator, but I said them that I don't have any formal education as a special educator, but they have seen my work with the kids, so they asked me, we will train you, you just join us.
Okay.
Then again the opportunity came, and I embraced that opportunity. आफ्टर दैट देयर एक्चुअली आई वुड से कि वहाँ से मेरा एक व्हाट वी कैन से लर्निंग आई लाइफ लर्निंग आई लाइफ लेसन्स आई लर्न फ्रॉम देयर कि हैंडलिंग स्पेशल किड्स इट्स नॉट एट ऑल इजी as an educator. And there I worked as a play therapist, and again then as a clinical psychologist. But in these 6 7 years, what I have learned from there, it's not at all easy job for not only for as an educator, but I have seen when the special kid is there, it's about his parents, then the social approaches and the family. So everyone is evolving in that particular process, and as an educator or a play therapist, we have very huge responsibility to evolve them, to improve their skills, first develop their skills, then improve. So I have learned a lot from there, and I'm always saying I am a learner. नाउ ऑल्सो आई कुड से कि जो भी जैसे भी सीखने मिलता है यू हैव टू लर्न इट.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. We have to
So
move
then
with
I
the flow.
shifted again, means like it's very long one. From there I shifted to the lectureship also. I conducted teacher training courses also through the one of the educational institution. And after that, finally I got a call from the healthcare MNC. It is very huge MNC. From the US best company. So I called from there to join as a clinical psychologist. So it was also very big opportunity for me, and I immediately entered with my uh, skills
Great.
in that healthcare, proper healthcare sector. So there also I have learned lot of things, and by treating chronic patients, consulting them, consulting caregiver, the same situation which I have was seen behind the special child, whole family is involved. Same here, when once the chronic patient is there, whole family is involved behind him, right? So consulting not only the patient but their caregivers also, it was a big challenges for me in that time of period. And after
Absolutely.
that, before COVID, I took break because of my some personal priorities. And because of COVID, then again that breaks extended. And now from last year, I started my work again.
Wonderful. That is so wonderful. Wonderful. So, on your way, you must have had some success stories and faced some challenges as well. Can you share with us?
There are actually many success stories, I could say, because whenever I'm getting a positive feedback from my client, from my coaches, so this is always, I feel that this is my success story, right? And along with that, I could say I attended many national conferences. I got chance to attend many national conference in the educational sector as well as in the healthcare sector. So there also, I would mention here that when I was working with this MNC, I got a chance to present my study through the poster in the national conference in front of the national and international delegates. And this is, I thought this is biggest achievement for me because I got chance to present my thought, my study, and that study also um on the like I was studied sleep disorder in the chronic patient. So there also I would say कि वहाँ से I feel very proud on that moment when I was presenting there. I was almost 3 days over there, and I got a good recognitions from there. So this is one of the biggest success story I could say. And like same, whenever I'm getting good positive feedback from my client, that is also success story for me. And if we talk about the personal level, obviously whenever my kids are giving some good positive notes on me, that is also success story for me because the way I am
Beautiful. Mhm.
yeah, the way I am treating not only my clients but in home also, I also feel like I have to be very empathetic and empathetic listener, and it's helping me to deal with my own kids also. So this is also, we can say this is a success story for me.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Yes, nice. So, how do you see yourself evolving with the growing period of time?
It's all about my personal growth, ma'am. I am actually giving more importance my personal growth because, as you see, my role is constantly evolving to understanding human behavior, mental wellness, as well as we can say there are many things, there are many aspects which I am handling around me. So first, if I grow, then I can lift others, right? So in that sense, still I am learning actually. When I think to restart my career, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टेकन लॉट्स ऑफ सर्टिफिकेशंस बिकॉज आपको टाइम के साथ चलना चाहिए. यू हैव टू अपडेट योर सेल्फ, एंड अनलेस एंड अंटिल यू आर नॉट अपडेटिंग इट वेन मीन्स आप आपके पुराने नॉलेज से यू कान ट्रीट न्यू पेशेंट्स. एंड यू नो दिस इज द एज ऑफ AI. Everybody wants to become a very everybody think they are masters, right? And but I would say कि AI age है, but along with the AI, the age is EI. You can grab the knowledge from the AI, but if you don't know how to use that knowledge, if you can't make your relationship very positive and very strong, then knowledge का फायदा क्या है? So in
Absolutely.
that sense, I would say कि AI though it's very important, but along with the AI, you have to learn AI. And recently, I have started some training programs for teachers, and it's basically EI with the effective communication skills. And I'm getting good responses from the schools because each school have their own challenges according to their territory. And even I have visited the under resources schools also, where the students coming from very lower background, lower social economical status, they have their own challenges. So I want to teach, I want to make learn that educator how to tackle with these issues because when that child come to the school, he should get or she should get the proper environment of schooling, right? And under resource है, लेकिन in that also what you can provide them to increase his knowledge or give him, because each and every child is struggling for the self growth, which I have observed, right? So in that sense we can say कि educator का जो role है, as a teacher का जो role है, it's very important. It's a pillar of the education system. If you equip that educator or teacher with the EI tools, definitely it will education sector will boom like anything. And now I have seen that now government bodies also taking interest in the changing the policy. Right now, EI is the optional, but maybe in some couple of year, it will be a mandatory in all schools, because the importance of the EI is also increasing in today's day-to-day
Absolutely.
life.
Absolutely. Absolutely. You cannot do away with it. Yes.
Exactly.
Ma'am, how is the industry going to be 5 years down the line?
Uh, it is all about depend upon your growth. As I said, is I'm if talk about the future, as I said कि I'm always searching कि अब क्या चल रहा है. Now I have concentrated my teaching and learning in education sector, because as I told you, I started my career as a teacher, and that instinct or that passion still in me. So not only I don't like to work as only as a counselor, but in that also what I can evolve. So when I learning EI, when I was taking my certification in EI, I decided that I had to again enter in a education systems where I can make change. And same thing I would say key with the EI, the future is very big, or it's a very vast thing, and everyone, it's not only me, it's not only my responsibility as a what we can say, as a educator, as a education bodies, or as a normal human being also, we have very huge responsibility, all of us, to take our education systems in a very progressive way. So it's depend upon the situations, or depend upon the how we are grabbing this knowledge and how we are serving our kids in the future.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So, ma'am, do you have any advice for the youngsters who are joining this field?
Yeah, actually today's youngsters are very smart, I would say. Means जब 20 साल पहले when we have done our graduations, तब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि तब we were in the egg, and now the youngsters are very they are learning in very progressive way. But here also I will advise them, don't stop learning, don't stop learning in a positive way, as well as कैसे सीखना है, इससे ज़्यादा क्या सीखना है उसके ऊपर आप ध्यान दो. Because of the social media, youngsters are actually little bit, they are diverting their life, right? Recently I have heard about the news that 16-year boy in the Mumbai, he jumped from 57
Oh,
floor, right? And that news made me like shaken me from inside. This is not the things, this is the means like somewhere we have to stop it. Okay, it is not my responsibility as educator, but simultaneously we have to teach the parents, we have to counsel the parents, and the that means particular generation, how to deal with the emotion, because impulsive behavior is like increasing in the youngster. So controlling that impulsive behavior, we have to be very alert about their emotions. And that's why uh, the thought is behind the teaching effective communication through the EI to the educator, is that I want to reach each and every child to through the educators, to teach them social emotional learning, to teach them emotional intelligence. Because see, whatever the teachers or educators are doing, their behavior impacted very strongly on the children. So if we equip to our educator, definitely it will go to our youngsters, and youngsters are very smart, so they have to acquire this positive knowledge in very what we can say, in very positive notes. So these are
abs-
many things behind them, behind it. to, it's not the advice, but this is about like just keep learning in a good way. Use the
Absolutely.
social media in a good way, use the technology in a good way, which will definitely help you to improve your relationship. It will help you to understand your self growth and many more.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you so much, Shubhangi, for sharing the insights today. And we've got to know so much about your trainings and everything. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, definitely, thank you for calling me. Thank you, Dr. Preeti.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you, my dear audience, for being with us in this lovely conversation today. I will come back with another personality who has inspired my life. Thank you and have a good day.